This is an Ergobaby Metro, and today we're going to show you how to remove all the textiles in case you want to give them a wash or conduct small sewing repairs. Okay, we're going to start by removing the canopy, and the first step in that process is to unzip this zipper connecting the canopy to the back seat element. You'll find the zipper here behind the handle adjustment mechanism on one side. You're just going to zip it all the way around. There we go. Okay, next there are a pair of buttons here. You just detach them. And then if you look on the inside of the canopy, you'll notice that there is a little thing that looks like either a button or a thing that you pull on. And what you're actually going to do is pull on it. But around it is an elastic strap. We want to pull that elastic strap down and over this button first, then pull it out, and this whole bit will slide upwards. And detach. And we want to do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Now the canopy is attached. It's not possible to easily remove this front rib, and because of the thinness of the material, we would recommend hand washing this unit. Okay, let's move on to the seat itself then. If you look at the top here, you'll notice there is a bar that holds the seat up. And you can just pull that out of these little plastic plugs and just be a little bit careful not to break them. And then we can actually remove this entire bar. Then if you look at the inside frame, there are a series of these hooks that hook over buttons on the inside of the chassis frame. You just want to push them up from underneath. And then they pop off. And one on either side. Press it up and then push inwards from the bottom. And you'll pop this off. It's like this double eye hole sort of a setup. A little bit lower, you'll find that there is an elastic strap going over the next button. So to attach that on both sides. You'll find a pair of straps here holding the bottom portion of the seat to the lower portion of the frame. And it has these rectangular metal pieces here that have a split in the middle. So you just want to pull your strap over to the middle where that split is, and then slide the strap up through the split, and then it pulls it entirely off. Do the other side. There we go. Okay, pulling it around to the front again. Now, if you look up from underneath, it's probably a little hard to get on video, but there is an elastic, a Velcro, strap you have to detach. And then you can slide off the seat unit finally from the adjustable footrest bar. Now we've removed that. Okay, once you've removed the seat unit, we want to take off this top padded portion, as this is what is most likely to get dirty, and this is the portion of the seat that is actually easy to wash in a washing machine. You can also, of course, do the strap covers if you so choose. Just going to pull this central piece out first, central buckle. There we go. Pull this out from underneath. Okay, if you look at this then from the back, that handle in the middle is those rectangular piece straps from underneath. We're going to have to push one of these through so that we can get that padded element off, padded seat cover. We're just going to push it all the way through. Just feed it through with your fingers. Make sure that that metal rectangular piece doesn't rip your textiles. And then we can pull it through on the other side. So, some Velcro elements. Okay, the shoulder straps and side straps are well threaded together, so the easy way to get the entire shoulder straps and side straps removed is to flip the seat unit over. On the back side, you'll see from the shoulder straps there is a plastic plug. You just want to pull this out, turn it 90 degrees, and then from the bottom, pull and feed this through the slit in the fabric, and more importantly, the plastic base or backboard that is inside. There we go. Do the other one. Underneath, see, and you're just going to pop it out. It's just a matter of changing that orientation to get it through the slit in the backboard. Yeah? Okay. Now, looking at the seat, we can pull these through the pillow. And at this point, if your shoulder pads are also dirty, you can pull those off. It's always a good idea to wash those as well. One. Over the buckle, and again, just turning this 90 degrees so that it will slide through. And then we're going to thread these straps through that pillow. Tight fit there on the side straps, side buckles, and there you go. So now you have the padded seat element, and you have the shoulder pads and the central buckle pad. All of this can go into the washing machine on 30, 40 degrees, colder wash, whatever regular detergent you use. As far as the larger portion of the seat back, like the canopy, it probably should be washed by hand, and it's made of a sort of semi-water resistant fabric. The backboards are not removable, they are made of plastic, so you don't have to worry about immersing this in a tub of water. So those are for hand wash, that is for the machine. And the last element to remove, of course, is the shopping basket. So in order to remove the shopping basket, there are a series of buttons along the back end. And a hook in the center. And then in the front end, we again have this plastic hook, eye loop, keyhole sort of a setup, like you had in one place on the seat. Just pop it up, pull it off. And from the bottom, you have 3 Velcro strips. The plastic boards inside this are split into several sections, so you can essentially just roll this up and put it into the washing machine as well, or you can go ahead and wash it by hand. That's up to you. In any case, that is how you remove all of the textiles from an Ergobaby Metro. We hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, we ask that you subscribe, as it helps us to continue making videos in the future. Thank you.